very simple soft glam makeup look. I'd like to call this bold hair, bold lips, soft glam, don't care type of look. So that's what we're going for today. Soft glam should be simple, easy, and quick. It shouldn't be taking you an hour to do. It should be taking you less than that, maybe 10 minutes or less. Basically a little prime. I've already moisturized, so a little prime on my face, all over. I try my best not to use scented anything that comes in contact with my face, because my face tends to break out if I use scented anything. Now that I've done that with my face, I'm gonna jump onto my eyes. As you all know by now, I like doing my eyes first before I do my face, just in case I get any fallouts. I don't want to have to wipe off most of the products that I've already applied on my skin just because of eyeshadow fallouts. No, waste of product, waste of money. Oh, okay, there goes that. Not too bright. What I like to do is just blend it out using a brush or fingers, depends with my mood on that particular day. Just spread it all over my eyelid, grabbing a small little angled brush like this one, going in like a soft gray eyeshadow. Just gonna apply slightly above my crease, okay? And then I'm gonna pull it, wing it out. Also towards the inner corner, just like that, and right there at the tail of my eyebrows, all over the eyelid space. I'm gonna drag it out as well. Then I'm gonna go back in again with a dark eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply it right on the corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna pull it and I kind of wanted to touch that top tail, and then I'm gonna extend it a bit all the way to the inner corner. I'm gonna grab my little pinky right here, and I'm gonna dab a little bit of a shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna touch on the inner corner of my eye with it, just like right here, like that. Grabbing the white eyeliner, and I'm just gonna apply it on the inside of my eyes, on the bottom lash line. I feel like grabbing some of that dark eyeshadow, I'm just gonna apply it on that lash line only, the bottom part, making very sure that I don't touch the white part, otherwise it's game over. I'll be wearing these lashes that are hella dramatic that I got from Temu. They are so full. I have never worn lashes like this before, not this full or this dramatic before, so wish me luck. Let's see how they're gonna turn out, and hopefully I'm not gonna blow anybody away with them lashes. Whoa, these lashes remind me of Tokyo Tony. They really do. Okay, so here we are. We got our lashes on. Hope y'all can see me, cause I can't see none of y'all. Cause them lashes be like, oh my goodness, Dang, they heavy. First time ever wearing such dramatic lashes. I think they look good on other people. Put that foundation on there. A bit of that, a little bit of this, all the way up and there. Alright. And blend it out. I'm gonna blend it downwards. Up and down. You know me by now. I cannot go without wearing highlighter. Now we're gonna go in with some of that powder. Oh. Ooh. Now, this is how we line our lips. We get black lip liner, and I'm just gonna line my lips like so, and leaving out the middle part, but the top part I'm gonna line all the way corner to corner. And then first I'm gonna go in with a softer shade. This one is a brown shade, and this one is a cinnamon spice by Essence Cosmetic, and I'm just gonna apply this in the middle of my lips. The next one we're going in is an LA Girl glazed super intense color, extra glossy finish, and I'm gonna put this right on the corner like that. Oh, squeezed out a bit too much. And then I'm just gonna seal my lips. Just going back in, and I'm smudging that black a little. Then now I'm just gonna grab my setting spray. And that's pretty much it for this makeup look. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also share. And until next time.